Welcome back to part 2 of this video tutorial on how to create a website from scratch using DreamWeaver. Now this is brought to you by Z Tutorials, and the last time in part 1, if you haven't seen it, I have a link here, click on that, you'll need to watch that first. But the last time we got a CSS template, a lovely CSS template here, and we created an index page and we edited all that page up, and we got links so that when we click on this link here, it'll bring us to the YouTube page. And today we're going to be working on how to create new pages, like how to create a video page and a photo page, and how to create put videos onto your website from YouTube, and of course put photos onto them. You have your file in. Now mine is in desktop and it's called test website, and you're going to click on the index page and you're going to copy that, and we're going to paste that back in. Now we're going to rename this video, and we might as well make another one while we're at it. So we go copy, paste, and I'm going to call this one photos. So this is very good if you're a photographer. You can put all your photos up on the web for free. Call it what you want, blog, whatever, it doesn't really matter. And then we're just going to go back into DreamWeaver. Now you will have this option here more than likely, and you'll have to find your test website. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into manage sites, or it might say site here somewhere for you. So we're just going to go into manage sites. I'm going to click on new site. Now this is important because all your files will be in one place. Call it what you want, just call it your website. I'm going to call mine test website because I have other websites. Your local root folder, that's where all your pages are stored. Just make sure that's where it's supposed to be, inside your website folder. Your default images folder, just go into your images in your folder. This is all in your folder, so you just find it, go into your images and select that. We don't need all this stuff yet, that's not yet, so just click on that and then click done, and then it's going to bring up this lovely little page here where all your pages will be there. It's just easier access really. Now we're going to open up our video page, and as you can see it's identical to the index page. So we're just going to edit that out. So sorry, that shouldn't be there. Right here we're going to put a video. Now how do we do that? We just go on to the YouTube video that you want. So let's say we want the first series of the DreamWeaver part 1. We just go on to this logo here, Embed. We click on that, we open it, and it'll ask us to pick a border. So we're going to pick green because it'll match up perfectly with our green accents. And then we click on the size. Now just click on 580 by 360, the smaller one, because you can resize it then to fit what you want. And then you're going to copy this code. Make sure you have show border clicked, it gives it a nice look. Don't click play in HD, because if someone has a slow connection then they won't be able to really watch the video. So just do that. So we go back and you click wherever you want it. It doesn't matter where you want, you could have it there, but I'm going to have it here. So you just click where you want it, and then right here where it says code, split and design, we're going to go into code. Now this is no coding or anything, all you need to do is paste it in. So Control V or right click and paste, and then we're going to go refresh. Right down here, refresh will come up, and then back into design, and it'll give you this lovely box with nothing showing on it. You don't even know if it's a video, but that's just because you don't know. You can resize it to fit the borders, whatever you want. Give it a name, bring that down a bit, give it a name, DreamWeaver tutorial part 1, and you're just going to save that. Then you go into your preview in Chrome, and right here it's got your video, and it's got a lovely green accent around it with all your stop, your play, and when they click on that it'll bring it to your YouTube page. Very, very easy. Now when you click on home, it won't really bring you anywhere. Photos, nowhere, so we need to link those pages. So what we do is we go up here to the menu bar, we highlight home, and what you're going to do, it'll have that as default, a hash, and we're going to go onto the link here, and we're going to click on this point to file button. It's just going to bring up an arrow, and we bring it all the way over to index. Okay, and we're going to do the same with video, all the way over to video. Do the exact same thing on your index page, point and drag over to index, and on the video, point and drag over to video. Now we're going to open up the photos page. So we're going to click on photos, but before we're going to edit that, we're going to go into our index page, and right here where it says YouTube, follow the link to find the best tutorials available, subscribe and learn more. So we're going to go on to the next line, and here I want a YouTube logo, and I want when people click on that logo, it'll bring them to my channel. So basically all you do is you just go into your web browser, and you just go into Google Images and just click YouTube logo. And I downloaded this image here. When you download it, you just put it into your website. Mine is called test website. Just put it into your website folder and into images, just like I did there. Very easy. And then we're just going to go back into DreamWeaver. We're going to click on images, right here, images. Going to click on that, into our images folder, and find the YouTube logo right there. So you click OK, and this will pop up here. Alternate text, we don't really need that, just call it logo. And long description, that's a website, we don't need that either. So it'll bring up this lovely box. Now we don't want it that big, obviously. So what we're going to do is we're going to resize it to something like that. We just want it nice and small, so that when people click on it, so that we want just people to click on it. So there's YouTube logo there. Then you just go on to link here again, and you just type in that http://youtube.com user z tutorials, and we're going to make the target blank once again. Save that and preview in Chrome. Now when they click on this, it'll bring them to a new tab and bring them to my channel, and when we click on the picture, it'll do exactly the same thing. So there's two ways there, and it looks very, very sleek and very, very good. When you click on video, it'll bring it to your video page, just like we did. And when you click on home, it'll bring it to your home page. Photos won't bring them anywhere because we didn't link that yet. So we're just going to do that really quick. We're just going to go onto your index page, highlight the photos, click and drag to photo, do the same on video, and do the same on photo, link all them pages. So then we're just going to, on the photo page, we're just going to delete all that stuff. We'll leave that actually, and you just put in all your photos there by the exact same time. Images, save all the photos you want into your images folder. Very great if you're a photographer. Put a little description there, etc. Well, that's all we do have time for today. So you have to learn how to put in videos and pictures and linking pictures, etc. Part 3 is coming next week, in less than a week actually, so subscribe and you will see that very soon. If it helped, leave a comment and subscribe. Next tutorial is coming very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. Brought to you by Z Tutorial.